Stitch number 21 is a mending stitch, and it has a reverse button noted, so I will be using that to tell it how long I want this sequence of stitches to be. I've taken my fabric, kind of cut a little hole in it, kind of made it a little messy. It's been washed. You know how it is. By the time mending comes to you, it's probably much bigger than this. But that's okay. You'll want to do some type of interfacing or put something behind it. You need a base to stitch to it. And you can kind of see that where this arrow starts, that's where you need to position the starting point of this stitch. So I'm going to start it in the upper left corner of my opening. Now, if the opening's bigger, we'll just do this in sections. We'll do one and then repeat and kind of overlap a little bit. Let me show you what it's going to look like. So the first time it stitches, it's going to stitch down in the, you might say, left needle position. And as I touch the reverse button, it has counted. So if it counted 12 stitches, now what it's going to do is it's going to go 12 stitches back and then 12 stitches forward and then back and forth. You'll notice that the needle is moving from the left side of the foot to the right side of the foot, each placing those stitches and almost recreating the fabric. So with matching thread, this just does an amazing job and sure is a lot easier than anything else you've probably done in the past. It's nice and symmetrical. I love the look of it. And then this would be where it stops, a little locking and a built-in cut, so that's great. So then if I need to do this again, I could go ahead and, again, I'd overlap a few stitches, so making sure that I'm not leaving a gap. And let's see here. Yes, it did remember the length that I needed. I just didn't start right on the edge, so you'll see this one looks a little bit longer than the first one. But honestly, hey, if it's all secured and restitched, I don't think anybody's going to complain. It's just not going to unravel anymore. So you can see how it fills in nicely. We can stop at any time. We could just use the scissors here. But it would have stopped when it got all the way to the end. Look how pretty that is. And again, with matching thread, that is a nice, solid, filled in area. And that rip is nowhere to be found.